Now we are going to talk about, that is, previous case we have seen in the previous video that what is refraction means and how the refraction takes place from a glass slab. There we have talked about an emergent ray, okay, and we have talked about the lateral displacement. So I hope these two terms are clear to you. Now if you will see, there I am using a term rarer medium and a denser medium. Basically, in the terms of light, these rarer medium or a denser medium turns to optically rarer or optically denser medium. Now, when the word optical attached to this rarer medium and to denser medium, there is a change come in it. What is the change says? Normally, rarer medium, if in my first video I have already told you what is rarer medium, where the molecules are far apart, right? And denser where they are close to each other. Now understand what is optically rarer and optically denser medium. For our understanding, that concept is totally fine. No problem in it. But what is optically rarer medium? When the light travels from one medium to another medium. In the medium where the light travels faster comparative to the other medium, that medium is called optically rarer medium. What is rarer medium? The medium, I am writing it like this only. The medium in which the light travels, faster than other medium. Such medium is called rarer medium. What is optically denser medium? The medium in which the light travels slower. The light travels slower than another medium. Is called the optically denser medium. So how we can define optically rarer and optically denser? Means the medium in which the light is traveling fast is called optically rarer, and in which it travels slow is called optically denser. Why we call the ray travel faster in air? Because there we have seen that the ray speed is traveling. If we talk about comparatively, in the vacuum the light travels with the speed. Okay, in vacuum the light travels with a speed 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and this speed is comparatively less in air. That can be 2.99 something. Okay, and in the case of glass or any substance, that where the speed of light is not 3 into 10 to the power 8 but less than this, that medium is called the optically denser medium. So simple way, where the light travel faster is called optically rarer, where the light travels slower, we can say it is an optically denser medium. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we are moving forward to the one of the most important topic, that is called refractive index. We are going to talk about in the next video, that is refractive index. What is this refractive index? We need to understand this. That is why we have to study this. This is very important, because without this we cannot solve the problem related to your lens or to the refraction. So this is very important. I hope till here this is clear. Okay, so now we are moving forward to the next topic of ours, that is refractive index.